All right, I'm standing right out front the Bellagio fountains here, and I think I caught it at the end here, so I believe that's the end. So I'm gonna go and walk the other side and go inside the Bellagio. All right, right in the center here in front of the Bellagio fountain. The show just ended. So there's Cosmopolitan, and there's the Paris Eiffel Tower, the hotel right there. CVS across the street. So, yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of beehive activity going on this Sunday. What time is it right now? It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk on the other side and head to the inside Bellagio. All right, here we are at the inside the Bellagio. So just beautiful design here up in the ceiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the conservatory here. You can probably see it down there. There it is, Rolex clock. That is the current time. Today is Sunday, August 24th. Let's head over to the conservatory. Let's head in here. Got some video board though happening in the background. Even the ceiling is beautiful here. Beautiful flamingos. Look at these flowers. Here you go. As you can see, there is a plethora of people in here. Oh, that's fine. Look at that giraffe. Look at that tiger swinging on the swing. Let's walk around. Get a good angle of this tiger. Nice pagoda. People everywhere. I was thinking of coming here in the morning with less people, but I decided to go somewhere else tomorrow. So, and plus, I probably won't be available. Got things to do in the morning, so. Look at that beautiful angel statue with flowers. Let's put it over here in the front. Look at these flowers down here. So colorful. I got the LED screen in the background. Here you go of the conservatory there. So I don't think we can walk around. But look at these chess pieces. Look at the giant queen piece right there. Got the on the chessboard. Very nice. There you go. Scroll down. There it is. The magnificent chessboard of elegant European design. More flamingos at the pagoda. Look at that. With a bird swinging there. Oh, check out them zebras. Laying on the couch or the sofa. Oh, yes. Look at that. Staring right at you, that zebra on the sofa. There it is. Oh, there it is. Lady Colette lays quiet, repose upon a plush chaise lounge. Look at that. Yeah, turn off them flowers. Oh, and let's get another shot of this flamingo. Place is massive. So this is the summer theme. I was here last summer. Maybe I'll be back in the winter. The theme changes every season here at the Bellagio. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right, let's go back around one more time. It's a beehive of activity today. All right, let's go to this side. Let's go over here. A lot of people taking pictures. I have to walk around them. Oh yeah, here. Let's get this. Oh, there's a line over here. There you go. There's another shot of the cockatoo. There's a line over here. I don't know what this is. Some grand opening of Sharper employees. Avon. They're all taking pictures. All right, let's go walk around to the exit. The pagoda's busy, so I can't go in there. Sorry. Okay, this is the exit. One of the exits. All right, let's take a nice, beautiful video again of this beautiful conservatory here at the Bellagio. So, on to the next spot. Let's go head out of the Bellagio. I'm gonna go across the street to the Planet Hollywood Miracle Mile Shop. I don't know if this is going to be part of that video, but if it's not, there's a nice part of the scenery there. So if this is not, as you can see, Vegas is not slowing down, folks. So if, again, just want to remind you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next vlog, peace.